Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chawanne Burns. In this video, we have 3 new grants for you to apply. And the first grant that we're going to be talking about is actually 2 of the grants we're going to be talking about. They do have a YouTube channel. So if you like these types of videos, you want to subscribe to my channel. Our first grant is from HelloSkip.com and it's a $1,000 grant. They are awarding 10 recipients to receive $1,000 and another 10 recipients will receive $1,000 in Skip services. So I will link that in the description section of the YouTube channel and also the link to submit your application. And it's a very short application, but there are some criteria that you need to meet in order to receive this grant. Okay, so that link is in the description section. For our next grant, we thought this grant was being closed on December the 13th. That is today. However, helloalice.com, and if you're tuned in to all my other grant videos, I always say you need to create a profile on helloalice.com because you'll be privy to all this information that I'm giving to you today. So helloalice.com, they have extended their deadline to December the 13th. They want you to apply. This grant is called the Small Business Grant Forum. It's $5,000 business grant growth. Deadline has been extended to December the 17th at 6 p.m. It's a very short application. They will drop your funds in your bank account around January to provide fuel to get a running start in 2020. Okay, so they have extended this application. They're awarding 50 business owners with $5,000 grants to make the next big move in 2020. To be eligible, a business owner, you must have a business that earns less than $1 million of revenue and a commitment to diversity and community and have a clear plan to use the grant funds. So application is closing on December the 17th, this Friday, okay? So put your application in today, okay? So our very last grant, it is limited. It's not open yet, but I'm going to give you the heads up and I'm going to give you the link. So you will be one of the first applicants to apply. I might send out a reminder, but if I forget, you already have the information. Since we're fastly approaching the holidays, I just want to get this information out to you. This grant is from Merchant Maverick. Merchant Maverick sent me a DM, I think it was a couple of days ago. Hey Chawanne, we thought your audience might be interested in our new grant opportunity. We are awarding 10 $10,000 grants to AAPI-owned restaurants, and the applications opens on January the 3rd, 2022. Okay, and there's a link to it. Merchant Maverick is actually on YouTube. They do have a YouTube channel. I will link their YouTube channel in the description section. And so they have AAPI owned restaurants will begin on January 3rd, 2022. We will be accepting 5,000 applications, okay? So make sure to apply as soon as possible after the application window opens. If you would like to receive an email reminder when the application goes live, you can sign up for the mailing list below, and that's the link that's in the description section. So if you are a restaurant, you have to be AAPI. That's Americans of Asians and Pacific Island descent. So there you have it, folks. You tell everyone that you know out there there is several grants for you, and I wish all the best to you in your endeavors in getting funding for your business. Hey, if you're just out there and you need help receiving funding as far as your startup business, or you are a business that's been operating and you don't know how to go about in the funding process, I encourage you to look me up, which my link is in the description section. This is what I do. I help clients get their business plans together and get all their ducks in a row, and help them to get to look clean on paper so they could be the perfect applicant to receive funding for their business. So you want to find my link down in the description, and it says schedule a consultation with me, and schedule a consultation with me to see how I can help you receive that funding for your business, so in order for your business to grow. That was it for our video. I am sending all my good to you.